High-powered rifle and ammunition seized in Tivoli. Nesta Bigga Morrison wanted by cops, and woman accused of beating Kaelan higher Peter Champagny.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Viewers, officers assigned to the Denhamtown police station seized one AK-47 assault rifle in Drackett's Place, Tivoli Gardens, Kingston 16 on Tuesday the 17th of November. Reports are that about 9 a.m., a team conducted a snap raid at the mentioned location, where the rifle with a magazine containing 14 7.62 rounds of ammunition and a biopod stand were taken from under a metal container. No one was arrested in connection with the find. To the east now, where the St. Thomas police have placed Nesta Morrison, otherwise called Bigga, of 11 miles Bullbay in the parish on their wanted list. According to the police, Morrison is wanted for shooting with intent and illegal possession of firearm in the Bullbay area. They are urging him to turn himself into the Yallas police or any other police station immediately. Meanwhile, 2 of the 3 women who were being sought by the police in connection with the attack that left a 17-year-old girl hospitalized have turned themselves in. The women were accompanied by their attorney Peter Champagny, QC, to the Constant Spring police station, where they are expected to be questioned. 2 other women, a 33-year-old and another who is 26, turned themselves into the police on Friday the 13th of November. Kaelan, a past student of Papine High School, is currently on life support after she was beaten at a party by a group of women on the 7th of November off Barbican Road. The party was held without a permit on Boise Lane.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!